In this video, I'll show you how to create cinematic videos in Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, start a new video project and choose the video generation option that matches your workflow. Before writing your prompt, decide what kind of cinematic scene you want to create. Think about the subject, environment, lighting, camera movement, mood, and overall visual style. Now create a detailed prompt. For example, you could describe a lone person walking through a rainy city street at night, with glowing lights reflecting on the wet road, dramatic atmosphere, realistic motion. Shallow depth of field, and a slow, cinematic camera movement. When writing cinematic prompts, describe the camera movement clearly. You can use instructions such as a slow push-in, smooth tracking shot, gentle pan, or wide establishing shot, depending on the scene you want. Lighting is also important. You can describe soft natural light, dramatic shadows, sunset lighting, nighttime city lights, or other lighting that matches the mood of your scene. After entering your prompt, review the available generation settings and start creating the video. Once the video is generated, preview it carefully. Check the camera movement, subject motion, lighting, background, and overall cinematic appearance. If the result doesn't look cinematic enough, refine your prompt. Add more specific details about the camera, lighting, environment, and movement instead of adding unnecessary information. For better consistency, keep your scene focused and avoid combining too many different actions in one generation. You can use this technique to create cinematic stories, movie-style scenes, travel videos, product videos, action sequences, and social media content. Finally, compare different generations and choose the version with the most natural motion and strongest visual composition.